This is the broken elevator at the Glassworks car park. You can see it says out of order on there. Out of order. So yeah, this one's currently not working. I do not know why. But if security does come past, then I'll inform them about it. And I think he brought down at the ground floor. What do you say, Paul? Yeah, it says G on there, but it just says out of order. I'll just run that through. Out of order. So even if I try and call it now, I would guarantee that only this one will come down. I'll just double check that. But if the security does come past, then I'll inform them immediately. Out of order. So it sounds like it's going to be a very, very busy one, is that one there. Because that one's currently not working, I don't know why, but when security do come past, we'll let them know, won't we, Paul? So yeah, only this one's going to come, as you can see here. Oh God. Yeah, it will only be this one here. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.